In the far reaches of our solar system, 4.5 billion kilometers away, Neptune drifts in icy silence. A mysterious world wrapped in sapphire clouds where supersonic winds roar and storms rage endlessly. But something extraordinary has happened. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured a cosmic event so powerful, so dramatic, that it changes how we see Neptune forever. For the first time in history, humanity has witnessed Neptune struck by a massive collision. This is not just another discovery. It's a story of violence, beauty, and survival. A story that connects Neptune's fate to our own and reveals how fragile yet powerful planets truly are. When people think of the solar system, they think of the Sun, of Mars, of Jupiter's storms. Neptune is often forgotten, too distant to care about. But Neptune is one of the most fascinating worlds we know. Its winds scream faster than the speed of sound. Its atmosphere glows with mysterious methane. Its largest moon, Triton, may hide an ocean beneath its crust, an ocean that could harbor the ingredients for life. For decades, Neptune remained an enigma. Even the mighty Hubble could barely pierce its veil. But then came James Webb, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, and with it, revelation. When Webb turned its gaze toward Neptune, astronomers expected storms and faint rings. Instead, they saw a glowing scar, a mark of violence. Something colossal had slammed into Neptune. Perhaps a comet, perhaps an icy fragment from the Kuiper belt. Webb captured the aftermath in exquisite detail. Shockwaves rippling through clouds, heat spreading across the atmosphere, a planet glowing with the fire of impact. Think about that. Neptune is 4 times wider than Earth, wrapped in storms that dwarf anything we've ever seen. For an object to scar it so visibly, it had to be massive. This collision may be one of the largest planetary impacts humanity has ever witnessed. It isn't the first time we've seen cosmic destruction. In 1994, fragments of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter. Explosions larger than Earth left dark bruises across Jupiter's atmosphere for months. It was a wake-up call. The solar system is not a peaceful place. Worlds are scarred. Collisions happen. And now Neptune joins that story. But unlike Jupiter, Neptune is an ice giant. Its atmosphere doesn't just bruise, it burns. Webb's infrared instruments revealed glowing heat signatures spreading across its bands. Webb didn't just take a picture. It captured the very energy of the impact. How? Webb orbits 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, shielded from the sun by a vast sunshield, its golden mirrors unfolding like a flower. It doesn't see invisible light. It sees in infrared, the glow of heat itself. To Webb, Neptune lit up like a cosmic flare. And collisions like this don't happen randomly. They're part of the grand choreography of our solar system. Neptune orbits on the edge of the Kuiper belt, a vast field of icy bodies. Its gravity pulls them, tosses them, sometimes captures them as moons. Other times it drags them down into its clouds. This impact is proof that Neptune is still part of the dance, still shaping and being shaped by the cosmos. And here's the amazing part. Without Neptune and Jupiter absorbing so many impacts, Earth might have been struck far more often. Without them, maybe life wouldn't have survived at all. But imagine if it had been us. Imagine an object like that striking Earth. Our atmosphere is thin. Our oceans are shallow. A strike only a few kilometers wide could devastate the entire planet. Tsunamis across continents, firestorms in the skies, years of darkness. Humanity might not survive. This isn't science fiction. 65 million years ago, an asteroid ended the reign of the dinosaurs. The next one could end ours. And that's why Webb's discovery is not just about Neptune. It's about us. In 2022, NASA tested something extraordinary. A mission called DART deliberately crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid. The goal was to see if we could push it, even slightly. To see if humanity could defend itself from the chaos of space, and it worked. For the first time, we proved that we are not powerless. And the lessons we learned from Neptune. how impacts transfer energy, how debris spreads, how shockwaves ripple through an atmosphere, could one day save Earth. Neptune's collision is like a warning flare in the dark, a message written across the stars. There's something almost poetic about Neptune taking the hit for us. Like Jupiter, it acts as a cosmic shield, silently absorbing chaos so Earth can remain safe. Without these giants, our planet might never have had the chance to nurture life. But Neptune is more than a shield. It is a world alive with mystery. Its storms, its icy mantle, its hidden core, all of it reminds us that the outer solar system is not silent. It is alive. And then there's Triton, Neptune's captured moon. It orbits backward, stolen long ago from the Kuiper belt. Beneath its frozen crust, a hidden ocean may still move, warmed by tides. Could Neptune's collision stir Triton's heart? Could shockwaves awaken its geysers or ripple through its hidden seas? Webb's data may hold the answers. Because in the solar system, nothing exists alone. Everything is connected. And beyond Neptune, this story echoes across the galaxy. Collisions shape worlds everywhere. Some destroy, some create, some even seed life. Webb wasn't built to watch impacts, yet it may become the first telescope to witness them across the galaxy. Imagine watching a distant planet form a new moon, or a world remade in fire, all through Webb's golden eyes. Neptune's collision is not just one event. It is a reminder that planets are not eternal. They are alive. They change. They die. Impacts are not only endings, they are beginnings. Earth itself was born from one, when a Mars-sized body struck our young planet and gave birth to the moon. Life may owe its very existence to collisions. Destruction and creation are two sides of the same coin. When Webb recorded Neptune's impact, it wasn't just science, it was a mirror. A mirror of Earth's past, its possible future, and our place in a universe alive with motion. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this. Those worlds out there are not silent. They are colliding. They are dancing. And for the first time in human history, we are watching. We are witnesses to the beauty, the chaos, and the eternal story of the cosmos. This is not the end of the story. It is the beginning. The universe is alive. Stay curious. Please like and share and subscribe.